Let's go ahead and stack our clutch up. First item in is going to be our apply plate. The surface is going to face down. A clutch and a steel. There are 4 frictions, 3 steels, an apply plate, and a pressure plate. In a stock drum, that's all you're going to be able to get in there. And put our pressure plate in place. We are using a 70 thousandths flat snap ring. Now let's check our clearance. With our dial indicator at 0, we have 20 thousandths clearance. If you look at the book, on a 47 or 48 RE, the recommended clearance is 25 to 45 thousandths. My recommendation is going to be staying at the 15 to 20 thousandths mark. When setting up this forward clutch, it is my recommendation that you stay in the 15 to 20 thousandths mark and don't go beyond that. Even though the book might tell you that it's 25 to 45 thousandths, the tighter that clutch clearance is towards the 15 or 20 thousandths mark, the better performance you're going to get out of that clutch. You can purchase different thicknesses of snap rings, and that's why I mentioned the 70 thousandths in this particular one, so keep that stuff in mind. Also note that we set this up dry. It's a whole lot easier to film when it's dry. I go through and wet the frictions afterwards. You guys may choose to soak them. It's completely up to you. Either way works exceptionally well. Knowing that we have our clutch clearance set properly, we can tear down the clutch pack and wet it. Again, if you guys prefer to soak them, that's fine. Let's go ahead and flip the forward clutch assembly over. Here you can see that we have 2 plastic sealing rings. Let's go ahead and replace them now. You'll find them sealing rings in the sealing ring kit. Offset the openings so we feel better about ourselves. We also have 1 steel sealing ring down here at the bottom. It looks just like this. Now you can go ahead and set that off to the side.